Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use custom tags in your email subject, body or in the attachment file. So I have configured my bot, like I have logged in, I have given SMTP as Gmail, and yeah, this is not required, but it is required is you can go to readme file. Here you can see all the available tags for body, subject and HTML file. So for that, for example, if I have to use this tag, wherever I place this tag, it will be replaced with the 9-digit alphanumeric random value. So to use this tag, what I will be doing is, I will be copying this tag. I will open my required data file where I have written my subjects and body. So if I have to use that tag in my subject, then I will place it like this. Wherever I place this tag, it will be replaced with the random alphanumeric value of 9 digits. Okay, and if in my body I place it like here in the beginning, then it will be taking that. Okay, in the beginning I'm placing this tag, and if I have to use another tags, then we can use other tags also like this. There are many tags, and there are some tags which will take data from the CSV file, like contact CSV file. So for now I'm using let's place uh, I'm using test contacts file. So in this file I will be placing, okay, let me first place this here, and in here if I have to place the name of the user, the contacts user, I will use that tag, this first name tag, and I can write hi, and this will be the first name. So these values will be changing every time while sending the email to a new user. And this is our contacts file. Here I have test contact file it is, because I will be showing you the test functionality which will be using this test contact file only. So I have given one email contact and first name, last name, address, and city, but I'm using this tag only, first name. So let's see, this one was saved. Yeah, okay, now if I click on send, the mail will be sent. You can see it here. Okay, mail is sent by this user to this user, and I can show you the same mail what I have received. Okay, so this is the mail which I have received. So now you can see we have a random tag here after the subject where we have used that one, and here also I have used that tag, and here hi, and then the first name of the user is there. Okay, so in this way you can use your tags everywhere. So thanks for watching, and you can refer this readme file, like all the details of the tags are given. You can use these tags with the body, subject and HTML file. Okay, thanks.